Welcome to today's talk, and our today's talk is going to be on a very interesting topic. And this is a topic that most of the clients fear sharing about in public. Many people fear talking about this in open space. But today we have to look at this condition eye to eye so that we are able to save most of the marriages. This is a condition that has destroyed so many marriages, has also destroyed so many relationships. So what is the topic? So the topic of today is going to be on erectile dysfunction. And it's important for us that before we get deep into it, then we understand what is the meaning of the word erectile dysfunction. So before that, let's take note that erectile dysfunction is now one of the uprising conditions in our society. And it's also important to note that the incidence of erectile dysfunction actually increases by age or with age. So that it's very common at the age of 40 and plus years. It's also important to note that 40% of cases of erectile dysfunction occur at the age of 40 years. And 70% of the cases in men occur at the age of 70 years. Of course, 70 and plus years. So, what is erectile dysfunction? So, erectile dysfunction is the inability of one to actually have an erection. So one can fail to completely have an erection. Number two, it is also the inability of one to maintain an erection for long. So yes, one can have an erection, but may not be able to maintain that erection for long. So that is also called erectile dysfunction. The next thing is the loss of sexual desire. So one then loses what we call the libido. That also characterizes erectile dysfunction. Ladies and gentlemen, in our next video, we'll then be able to talk about the various causes of erectile dysfunction, and of course, subsequently, the intervention to erectile dysfunction. If you are watching us for the very first time, kindly subscribe. And until next time, it's goodbye from all of us.